show, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, tonight, you know what I mean, I'm tips and ideas about Halloween night. You know what I mean, be careful, guys. You know what I mean, there's so many things going on out there. You want to make the fans know. You know what I mean, be careful of health and safety after Halloween night. You know what I mean, you have some, you know what I mean, you don't know who gonna be wearing stuff and doing all kind of stuff. So get yourself guarded. Make sure you look through your window before turn on the CCTV camera, because you know what I mean, I don't want none of my fans them get hurt. Alright? Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into my show. We love you so much. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We are there for you. So remember, tonight is Halloween night, and remember, if you're gonna do anything, look through your window, or you know what I mean, make sure you know what you're doing. So tonight, enjoy yourself, and you know what I mean, having the fun. And also remember, follow me on Instagram and go on my website. We got some late stuff coming up on the website. Christmas stuff coming up very soon, and also we got a lot more stuff coming out your way. We got a lot of different kind of dishes coming out for Christmas. We got the sarred. Someone request sarred. Yes, it's gonna come out very soon. Also, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. And also remember that we're gonna make a Christmas rum fruit cake, and you know what I mean, it's gonna be really nice this time. So anyway, enjoy the evening, have a wonderful time, and remember, also we got a lot of recipe on the YouTube channel for you. Don't go anywhere. Thank you so much for tuning in and watch my video, and share it, like it, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and don't go anywhere.